Hello dear food lovers, aren't we fortunate that rhubarb season is still with us for just a little while longer? Let's take full advantage of it by preparing some quick and absolutely scrumptious rhubarb slices. For this, we'll need of course rhubarb, some raspberries or strawberries, a lime, preferably untreated, and specifically the zest of it. We need sugar, which can also be a low-calorie version like birch sugar. We need cornstarch and a little lime, or alternatively, lemon juice. Those were the ingredients for the filling, and for the dough. For the crumble dough, we need flour and sugar, a pinch of salt, a little vanilla essence, or alternatively vanilla sugar, and butter. Let's take a moment to go through some preparatory steps. First up, we need to take care of the lime, grate the zest perfectly fine and squeeze out enough juice to add freshness. Now for the rhubarb, wash it, trim it, and then cut it into small pieces without peeling. Put the berries into a suitable container and use a hand blender to puree them. Keep blending until you have a fruit puree. Place the rhubarb pieces in a bowl. Add the lime juice, the lime zest, sprinkle with sugar, and then add the prepared fruit puree. Mix everything thoroughly together. Use a spoon and fork, or even salad tongs for this, then chill it for 20 to 30 minutes to marinate. Next, set a sieve over a bowl, pour the rhubarb mixture into it, and let it drain. As you can see, quite a bit of liquid comes out. Save the juice, don't throw it away. Carefully return the drained rhubarb to the bowl and sift the cornstarch evenly over it. Since we've saved that delicious juice, go ahead and add in 3 full tablespoons of it back to the bowl for flavor. Now, mix everything thoroughly once more and set it aside for the moment, because next we'll prepare the dough. For this, put the flour and sugar in a bowl, add about half a teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well. Using a whisk works best. Next, add a splash of vanilla aroma along with the butter. Make sure the butter is nice and cold, cut it into small pieces beforehand. Knead everything together, and it's best to do this with your hands. Only knead briefly, just until all the flour is absorbed. Chill half of it, we'll need the other half right away. Prepare a baking dish by greasing it or lining it with parchment paper. A rectangular one is ideal since we're making rhubarb slices, but a round one works too. Spread half of the dough in it and press it down evenly. Use your hands, it's simple. Spread the dough evenly to the edges. Once done, poke it with a fork a few times. Now, into the oven, it goes at 190 degree, 375 degree V for 15 minutes. Afterwards, spread the rhubarb mixture on top. Sorry, my camera cut out briefly here. Then spread the remaining half of the crumble dough over it. Now it's time for the final baking step at the same temperature. 190 degrees C, 375 degrees for 40 minutes. And look how delicious our cake turns out. Let it cool down a little before removing it from the pan and serving. It's already super tasty as it is. If you like, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. I personally don't like that, but a bit of cream goes perfectly with it. I loved it, and I hope you will too. Have fun baking and enjoy your meal. Until next time, goodbye, bye-bye.